to my channel. Today we'll discuss MSc 004 important question. What is expected utility function? What are the important properties of an expected utility function? So, markets of several types of assets are uncertain. So, the theory of decision making under situation of uncertainty, since decision makers are rational and wants to optimize, that is maximize objective function or minimize objective function subject to the constraint. For example, consumer maximize utility subject to budget constraint and producer maximize profits or minimize cost. Suppose there are two mutually exclusive states S1 and S2 and let the probability of the occurrence of these two states be pi1 and pi2. There are only two states. Since there are only two states, then the utility function will be u is equals to function of c1 comma c2 comma pi1 comma pi2, where c1 c2 are consumptions and pi's are probability. Function such as u is equals to c1 into pi1 plus c2 into pi2 gives utility as a function of expected or average value of consumption. If the utility function is like u is equals to pi1 into v of c1 plus pi2 into v of c2, तो ये expected utility function है जिसे हम also known as von Neumann Morgenstern utility function, named after mathematician von Neumann and economist Oskar Morgenstern. ठीक है. Expected utility function is a reasonable depiction of utility from consumption under uncertainty. Since only one of the state, एक ही state occur करेगी S1 या S2 से, will occur. If S1 occurs, then pi2 is 0 and utility will be 1 into v of c1, that is vc1, that is pi1 is equals to 1. और अगर S2 occur करेगा तो pi2 equals to 1 और pi1 equals to 0 है, तो यूटिलिटी क्या हो जाएगा 1 into vc2, that is vc2. स्ट्रॉन्ग assumption है. choice individual make in one state of nature is independent of choice they make in another state of nature. It is called independent assumption, that is utility function is additive separable. Now the properties of expected utility function. तो utility function क्या है, upward sloping है with respect to wealth. फर्स्ट है कि यूटिलिटी फंक्शन क्या है, अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग. किसके रिस्पेक्ट में, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वेल्थ. that is du divided by dw, that is derivative of utility with respect to wealth is greater than 0, that is slope is positive with respect to wealth, that is u dash w is greater than 0. Second property of utility function is an assumption regarding investors' taste of risk. An investor can be risk averse, neutral or risk lover या risk seeker. It can be explained in terms of fair game or a gamble is a one which expected returns or values is equals to cost of undertaking the game. For example, cost of playing a game is 1. Let there be 0.5, that is the probability chance of winning rupees 2, or 0.5 chance of winning nothing. So expected value is nothing but 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 0, which is 1. So expected value is equal to cost of game equals to 1. So risk aversion means investor will reject fair game because this utility of loss is greater than utility of equivalent win. That is d square u divided by dw square is less than 0, that is upward sloping and concave utility function, or u double dash w is less than 0. Third assumption is how investor preference changes with changes in wealth. So if investors' wealth increases, invest less or more in risky assets. So if investor increases absolute amount invested in risky assets as his or her wealth increases, investor is said to exhibit reducing absolute risk aversion. If absolute amount in risky assets remain constant with increase in wealth, तो या क्या बोलते हैं, investor is said to exhibit constant absolute risk aversion. If the absolute amount invested in risky assets falls with increase in wealth, तो investor is said to exhibit increasing absolute risk aversion, where wealth is denoted by w, u dash w, that is first derivative of utility with respect to w, and u double dash w is the second derivative of utility with respect to w. So measure of absolute risk aversion is given by a bracket w. So a w is equals to, that is absolute risk aversion formula is nothing equals to minus second derivative of utility with respect to wealth divided by first derivative of utility with respect to wealth. Fourth assumption is how much percentage of wealth invested in risky asset changes as wealth changes. So if the percentage wealth invested in risky asset increases as wealth increases, this denotes decreasing relative risk aversion. So relative risk aversion is denoted by RW is equals to minus W, that is wealth, into second derivative of utility with respect to wealth divided by first derivative of utility with respect to wealth, which is also equal to W into absolute risk aversion. क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला देखो आप U डबल डैश W डिवाइड बाई U सिंगल डैश W, तो उसका वो किसका मेजर होता है AW का, दैट इज एब्सोल्यूट रिस्क अवर्जन का, तो इट्स नथिंग बट W इंटू AW डैश, क्योंकि माइनस आ गए माइनस माइनस भी हट जाएगा तो W इंटू AW डैश, क्योंकि पूरा फॉर्मूला ये देखो ये माइनस साइन और ये वाला पूरा फॉर्मूला सेम है एब्सोल्यूट रिस्क अवर्जन का एक्सेप्ट W. तो R dash W is negative, that is utility function is showing decreasing relative risk aversion. So that was all for expected utility function and properties of expected utility function. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment which next topic you want me to prepare a video for you guys. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.